gonna be 11 in a couple
What
months.
size
But it's still
that you're wearing right now?
You're at 10:30, right? I mean, 10 and a half.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Those are 11.
I mean,
Holy!
oh,
Oh my god.
good dude. Oh, the screaming. That just happened right now. Whoa!
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
Holy! Oh, gosh damn, my heart! Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay. Bye.
Largest ad stack on the internet since right now.
Yeah.
Just my personal opinion.
Yeah.
So I think in this world we'll be okay. But to be clear, we're not going to do this. Like it would require a shift in Congress and a shift in how we approach antitrust regulation and a change in the power between the American government and these companies. Currently, the only thing Microsoft's not allowed to do is buy the makers of StarCraft. They've already bought a lot of other stuff. So my argument here is certainly on the losing side, and I'm not trying to
Stark. Take a little break, come back, and your picks of the week are next week. Diligence. Our show today brought to you by HP. The Green orchestrated by the experts.
Are you okay?
Edge to Con experience.
You okay?
Yeah. Green Lake is unique because
Just a little scared because all of a sudden I'm lost. You know where that other guy went?
That way. And streamlined management.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover